Hi, everybody. This is Rev Brenda, Get and Brain Coach, and I'm here to talk to you real briefly about a 24-year-old journey that started with Dragon Fire, PHYRE, and Dragon Blood healing oils that I made back in 2000. They continued to create all kinds of healing potential and results in people, including a gentleman in Eastern Washington that had a rare bone disease. His body was eating his bones, and he had had 26 surgeries and was pretty much held together with rods and pins. And his doctor and physical therapist and massage therapist started using my Dragon Fire on him and were able to keep him out of surgery. And they begged me to make enough for all their patients. And at the time, I was living in lack of $339 a month. I simply didn't have the funds or the belief to reach out and make it happen. That's changed. And last year in September, I did Walk for the World with Dr. Joe Dispenza and everybody all over the world, over 173,000 people. And after that was the super blue moon, and I created Cosmic Balance Alignment Oil. It had charged for 6 months until this Wood Dragon Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year. I'm a Wood Dragon from 1964, and after having 2 near-death experiences, I've been able to have all kinds of gifts and memories from past lives of being a natural-born Celtic healer, and have had a lot of past life memories. And so on Imbolc, which is my Celtic spring, midwinter, first day of spring in our tradition, I birthed 4 more oils that came out of that foundational oil that started on the super blue moon. And those are called Sacred Synchronicity Alignment Oil, Inner Alchemist Transformation Oil, Mystical Moments Attunement Oil, and Interdimensional Interaction Oil. Was born on the Chinese New Year of the Wood Dragon. I consider it a Lunar New Year. So I wanted to share this because I'm gifting it. I've decided to gift it, and I'm waiting for my bottles right now. But if you'd like to reach out and offer and agree to pay for the shipping is all I'm asking, because I've spent enough cash on this in my part of this journey. And if anybody wants the gift, they're going to have to pay for shipping. So I'm also open to manifesting some artwork for all of these oils. And I do have somebody from Hungary that I'm going to meet with next week. Her art really speaks to me, and she's been downloading light codes, and these are very downloaded and very magical. Don't even fool yourself. So if the metaphysical and magical realm of life and energy, healing and manifestation is uncomfortable for you, these aren't for you. And if you're having any kind of imbalance or misalignment with source, these are for you. And if you're open to expanding to having days in heaven, which is an expanded state of consciousness, these are for you. Believe me. The one caution I'll give you is they have a catalyst in them that's very hot. It's a major heat. So you need to test a very sensitive skin area to make sure that you're able to handle the heat. When it goes into your skin, it takes all of the properties of the oil, which is a ton of stuff. I lost count of how many ingredients. I know what it is, but I would have to literally write it down and count it. I don't know. It's all intuitive and sourced through me, not from me. So I don't pay attention to the details like that at non-critical moments. So the other thing is that I would caution is it has a substance in it that intensifies its energy 50-fold, and it's an energetic magnification and a magical magnification and an alignment and attunement and interaction magnification. And I had been using it at night for pain because it's a very major anti-inflammatory, but one of the anti-inflammatories is extremely intensifying everything else, and there's a lot of higher energy sources in it too. So at 2 in the morning, I was still having 95% energy readings from my brain on my apps. So the caution with that is to use them like maybe until noon, 1 o'clock, unless you need to stay up late. And certainly if you want to do any kind of visioning or anything at night, use them at night. Trust me, they work well, all of them. And the last thing I'll say is the interdimensional interaction oil has been coming through also as intergalactic interaction oil, so it may change in name. I'm not sure. The intergalactic interaction oil has just been coming through in the last couple of days. The interdimensional interaction oil name came through, and energies came through on the Wood Dragon New Year. So it's it's a little of both. Maybe it's a Gemini. All right. I love you guys. I don't care who you are, where you are, what you've done, what you haven't done, what you've said, what you believe, what you feel. I love you. Bye. Agape love.